Force. So the entire procedure by which laws are passed has been complied with in letter and in spirit. So why should there be any relook at it?
And Mr.
He has woken up too late.
Sir, Mr. Kharge, he also said that through pressure,
See,
this all have done. How do you react? This,
See, first of all, I want to tell you one thing, that I do not know what the objection is,
Yes.
right? This is a colonial law enacted in colonial times. Do you know, according to the Indian Penal Code, are they aware that the Indian Penal Code has not been changed, and there's a provision in the Indian Penal Code that Goa is not a part of India when Goa got independence from the Portuguese in 1962. They have not, 1961, they have not even bothered to change that part. This is the previous governments have been guilty of legislative negligence.
Sir, could you please highlight some points today which implement criminal laws? You are a senior lawyer. Could you please highlight some points?
There are many points. The Indian Penal Code has done has redefined some and created some new offences. It focuses on enhancing the security of the state. It is very strong. There are very strong provisions concerning protection of the rights of women and children. The new Evidence Act and the new criminal code, the Bharatiya Nyaya Suraksha Sanhita, the BNSS, which is the criminal replacement of the Criminal Procedure Code. It has provisions for speedy justice and for use of technology. It enhances both speed and fairness, and it uses modern techniques, recording of evidence. The Chief Justice Chandrachud has given a long speech in a recent public occasion where he was present. So there are many provisions. We can discuss them all. I'm in process of finishing a third part of a 3-series article, which will be published soon. So all the provisions which are very beneficent for the process of criminal justice, particularly bringing speed and fairness and compassion also, is all good. And there are, under the Indian Penal Code, the punishments have not been reviewed since 1860. So fines of 500 rupees for serious offences are still there. This all had to be changed. Nobody has looked at it. What are they talking about? Do they know what? They have not even read the laws, I'm telling you. This is blind opposition. It is completely perverse blind opposition. This is not a constructive opposition. This opposition is hell-bent on only opposing everything good or bad which this government brings.
विमानों को आतंकवादियों द्वारा निशाना बनाया गया था। आयरलैंड में AI-182 कनिष्क में विस्फोटक के कारण 329 निर्दोष लोगों ने अपनी जान गंवाई थी, जबकि जापान में ऐसी एक और बड़ी तबाही टल गई, लेकिन इसमें भी 2 अन्य लोगों की मृत्यु हो गई। ये घटनाएं इस बात का स्मरण कराती है कि विश्व को आतंकवाद और हिंसक चरमपंथ के प्रति शून्य सहिष्णुता क्यों बरतनी चाहिए। इसे किसी प्रकार से क्षमा नहीं किया जा सकता, न ही न्यायोचित ठहराया जा सकता। अब ये सभा दिवंगत आत्माओं की स्मृति में कुछ देर मौन रहेगी। माननीय सदस्यगण, मुझे आपके साथ साझा करते हुए अत्यंत प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि भारतीय पुरुष क्रिकेट टीम ने 29 जून 2024 को बारबाडोस वेस्ट इंडीज में T20 क्रिकेट विश्व कप जीतने में सफलता प्राप्त की है। इस ऐतिहासिक विजय